It's very easy to feel good under a tree in a park, but it's very difficult to build a life in harmony with nature. For a few of us, it's okay, it's logical, but for most of us in the modern countries, it's pretty difficult because of all the pressure. And except if you love to be alone, um, when you're with people, you will have a computer and phones and busy life consuming everything. Okay, so I think we can make kind of balance to keep the technologies we have, but not in that extreme of chaos and destroying nature. But the first thing is how to feel connected with nature. So, as I said, when you have time to relax, nothing to do, you are in a park, you just enjoy the sun and the tree and the flowers. It's a bit easier. But how to connect with nature, how to be with nature on the pace, your pace balanced with the real pace of nature. Hmm. I don't know. How do you manage that? Do you? Oh yes, you can do one experience. You can go up north when it's very dark, winter time, like the sun is not going up. You just have maybe North Norway, for example. It's just you have 2 hours of bit of light, but the sun is not up. You can't see the sun, and you will feel that. What is it to when it's night in the middle of the day? Is your energy better? Is your energy the same? Or would you feel that the nature has an influence on you?